Okay, so you want to draw some money, and I'm asking, please don't draw at least till you're on director level or maybe champion. I needed some emergency money, so I had no choice. So I drew it last night, and I'm going to show you a video on how to do it because I really struggled. So first of all, you're going to download Binance. You can go and check on my YouTube channel. I have got a video on how you can do that and also how you can link your TymeBank account because I find that easy for South Africa. First of all, you're going to come here into Binance, and then in the left corner at the top, there's a yellow logo. You're going to click on there, and just make sure at the bottom you're on Binance Lite. And now you're going to go to more services because we need to do a deposit, because remember, we're going to bring money in from SafePal. So you press on deposit, and the coin that we are working with is BNB. So you're going to choose the BNB at the bottom, and then you're going to choose OPBNB because that is what is in your SafePal wallet. Now here's a wallet address. Just like when you send your QR code for your wallet to be funded, you need a QR code for this wallet to be funded. So you are going to copy. You're just going to press on those two envelopes until it says copy to clipboard. Now you're going to go to your SafePal. You go to your wallet portion of your OPBNB wallet. Under the search bar, you're going to click on it. You're going to go to send because remember, you want to send to Binance. Make sure that you are in OPBNB at the top. Then you're going to paste that QR code under the to button. And now you're going to say how much you are going to transfer. I'm going to transfer just, let's say 110. Okay, so I'm going to say next. You're going to say send. And you're going to put in your code. And now it is sent. What I normally do to refresh it, I go back, I click on it again, and it refreshes. When I go back, I can see it is out. Now you go back to Binance, you do the same, you go back, you go back, you go back, back again, and then you go to assets, wait a while, and now you're going to press here at the bottom where it says assets, and now it's showing you that it is in your wallet. Click on Binance Lite, then you're going to go to trade. You can see your money is in. You're going to say you want to sell. What do you want to sell? I want to sell BNB because that is where our money is. Press here the 100% at the bottom. Select receive method. You will receive. I'm going to say I want to confirm. I'm going to receive. Say confirm. It's now into your wallet, and now you can say, okay, I want to withdraw my cash. I have got a linked account for TymeBank. I'm going to say continue. Maximum withdraw here at the bottom. And I'm going to say preview order. And I'm going to say confirm. It's going to take 20 Rand for a fee. It's going to ask me for my code. Withdrawal order is submitted. You can go view your details. And it is done. And I waited a few hours. It was in my bank.